USDJPY market move from here, impulse, retracement, impulse, and we are seeing retracement coming to the market right now. What professionals do is, since the market is retracing on the higher time frame, coming back down, they take advantage of it like a counter trend trading on the lower time frame and take trade for a sell opportunity. And also, if you look at this very point, market is coming back down, you take trade for a sell opportunity. That means as market is moving all the way to the downside on retracement formation, you don't need to wait as a professional trader. So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to trade counter trend. Okay, so counter trend trading strategy. If you like content like this, consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other forex content. If you look at this very point on the USDJPY 1-day chart, it is called that market move from here upward, and we have retracement, market move upward, impulsive move, retracement. How can you trade counter trend? Let's take the first example from this very point right here. First thing first, in the rule, you look at the higher time frame. For example, in this case, 1-day chart, and when that 1-day chart is coming back down, okay, and you can use the stochastic indicator to figure that out. You may see one thing, which is a divergence or market coming out of overbought condition. Look at it right at this very point. If you look at it, market come back down and market was moving upward. So it created a divergence at this very point. From this very point to this very area, market diverge, okay? And from this very point to this very point, market was moving upward. That means market now divergence, market have capability of coming back to the downside. Now, this is not where we're taking the trade, okay? We want to take this trade on the lower time frame, which should be the 4-hour chart. So what you need to do next, after finding out that the market is coming back down using divergence or the stochastic RSI coming out of overbought condition, the next thing is you switch back to the 4-hour chart. The first thing we want to see on the 4-hour chart is the same divergence using the MACD indicator. Look at it. Market move from this very point downward, okay, move upward, create a new high, come back down, move upward, create a new high. But if you look at the MACD indicator, which is the MACD histogram, it discovered that market creates a new high right here, but could not create a new high again at this very point, which means there is a bearish divergence. That means market have capability of coming back down in line with the 1-day chart. So what you need to do is to connect this divergence and wait for confirmation. So from this very point right here on the price action, market move upward, create a new high, and then from this very area right at this very point on the MACD indicator, which is the MACD histogram, market is coming back down slowly. Okay, so this is a bearish divergence on the chart. So we need to wait for this bearish divergence to have confirmation. So confirmation number one is that the market should start formation on the negative side of the MACD right here, which start with this very bearish candle right at this point. So confirmation number one met, and you need to connect this very point right here, support level to support level, and then from this very point we want to see this breakout occur on the price action. Once we can confirm these two to be true, then it is the right time to take that very counter trend position. So if you look at this very point, these two confirmations have been made. So what that means is we need to pick our sell position 2 or our short position 2 from this very point right here, and then we position it on the price action. Okay, so we take the short position 2, and at this very point where we see the market break out for confirmation number 2, and then our stop loss have to be slightly above this very point and look for 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. If you do this, you will get it very, very accurately when you are trading counter trend position, especially using this very strategy 70 to 80% of the time, even 85% of the time, most of the time, because this work very well on price action using this very methodology. If you look at this, you discover that as market create that very divergence around this very area, which is a bearish divergence, market begin to come all the way to the downside and hit this very point right here, which is a very important thing you need to note if you want to take a counter trend position on a higher time frame using the lower time frame. The second example is where the market is right now at this very area. If you've been following up on this very channel, you discover that this very video talks about market coming back down, 100-day trading forex easy strategy. I talk about this very market coming back all the way to the downside, and the strategy I use is the strategy I'm talking about in this very video. So if you look at it, market is coming back down, and this retracement, in my opinion, is going to come back down a little bit. Okay, market is going to go upward, but we need to see the market come back down a little bit into this level of important support before the next move all the way to the upside. And this is very important, and market is going in line with that very prediction. Look at it right here. If you look at first thing first is the stochastic RSI indicator. What was it doing? It came out of overbought condition at this very point, and then coming out of overbought condition, market was not coming back down on price action at this very area, which means market have capability of coming back down very, very soon. And this very bearish candle give us that very signal right here. So what we need to do is to go back to the lower time frame, which is the 4-hour chart, and find divergence using the MACD indicator. Very important. And when this is confirmed, enter a position 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, market come back down in our favor. That is exact same thing we see on this very price chart. And if you're in that very position, congratulations, you are following up greatly. And if you come back to the 4-hour chart right at this very point, and you take a look at the MACD indicator, you discover that that is exact same thing that we are seeing right now. Market is coming back down in our favor. But first of all, let's look at this very divergence that occur on this very price action together. Market has been moving upward on price action. Market move upward. We have retracement right here, move upward again, create a new high, and then begin to come back down. At this very point, there was a divergence on the price action. And that is very, very important thing to note. If we connect the dots, you discover that from this very area, okay, that is this very MACD indicator right at this very point, market move upward a little bit on price action, creating new highs. But on the MACD histogram, from this very point, coming back down, market is sloping downward, okay, which means there is a bearish divergence. All we need to do is to wait for confirmation. And confirmation number one is for the market to start formation on the negative side of the MACD, which we see right at this very point. Confirmation number two was at this very point after the close of this very candle, and I show you guys exactly at this very point. But before that, we need to connect this very area on the price action. So from this very point right here, we discover that the market moved a little bit upward, which is very, very significant. So from here, market move upward and market breakout on this very level of important support trend line. And after that breakout was the right time to enter the market, as I demonstrated in this very video. If you want to find that out, which is very important, you need to watch this video to find that out. And from this very point, market begin to come back all the way to the downside. And if I take my short position too, from this very point, if you're in this position, you agree with me that we are also in profit, even though market is coming back upward. And our stop loss is at this very area, slightly above the resistance, and the market come all the way to the downside with a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. This very take profit target should be around this very area, as I stated it in my last video right here on this very channel. And I said clearly that once the market move down 50% of this very position, you should move your stop loss from this very area into this very point to be in a risk-free trade, a possible collection of half profits. So what I am waiting for right now, which is very, very important, is for the market to move a little bit upward, which is very, very clear on the price chart. Market is now moving upward from this very point. Market is going to move upward and come back down, okay, to this very target. I am expecting that the market come into this very target. So this is a retracement, okay, of this very impulsive move that we see on the chart right here. Market retrace, and then continuation is going to happen again on this very price action. So this is the best way to trade counter trend, okay. You look at the 1-day chart or the higher time frame, and then you come back to the lower time frame. For example, in this case, the 4-hour chart and take your position using divergence, and your divergence must be confirmed. This strategy works 70 to 85% of the time, and it is not a holy grail strategy. You will take some losses as well. So if you gain value from this very video, consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other forex content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description, and also in the pinned comment. It is a free group. Watch this video right here to know the exact time a trend is coming to an end, be it downtrend or uptrend. And watch this video right here, my Fibonacci trading course, how to trade Fibonacci retracement extension all the way from beginner to advanced. Check it right now, and thanks for supporting this channel.